Hi everybody, I'm Gabby and welcome back to Taylortoned. This is it. This is the final day of your challenge on YouTube. But don't forget, if you want to get the best results from this challenge, join me on Taylortoned.com because I have published a 31-day follow-along challenge. You get your workouts planned, you get a nutrition plan to follow along to get the best results. I provide you with a grocery list telling you exactly what you need, and you get tips and tricks of how to get the best out of the challenge. If you're just following along on YouTube, this is your final day, and don't forget, you can repeat this week that you've spent with me as many times as you want. This class today is a stretch, strengthen, and balance class. It's going to be a great way to round up this week. We're going to challenge our strength, we're going to challenge our coordination and balance. It's going to be fabulous. Let's get straight into it. You don't need anything. Just grab yourself a soft surface and bring yourself into a standing position. Standing at the top of your mat with your feet directly underneath your hips, give me a little half roll down. Chin in towards the chest, into your chest. You're going to roll down halfway, a little soften through those knees and roll back up again. Okay, we've just got two of those. Inhale, exhale, chin to your chest, little half roll. Bend the knees and bring it back up. One more, inhale, exhale, half roll. Now just hang out down here, little soften through those knees. And when you're ready, in, through the breath, exhale through the mouth, tap the hands down, and just find yourself a full fold over in the hamstring stretch. If you can't touch the floor, don't worry, just let the head drop down. Now slowly and gradually, wherever you are, walk the hands out in front of yourself. Stagger the hands under the shoulders, and come back in towards your plank hold. Can't quite get there yet, don't worry, just drop the knees down and hold here for a few seconds. If you're with me in that advancement, keep those knees lifted, push the ground away, and you're going to draw your abs in strong. Inhale through the nose, exhale, work on that straight line through the body. Eyes lift just in front of your fingertips, straight line. Now guide your right foot round to the side. We're going to take a twist up to the sky. This right arm, twist it all the way up, reach, and then you're going to bring it back down with a breath. Inhale as you exhale, bring it all the way up with a reach with a breath, and back down to the floor. Inhale. Exhale, hand goes high, reach, and bring it back down towards the floor. Hands come to the inside of that foot. Just find a second there, breathe in. Breathe out, allow that hip to lengthen. And then this foot, this right foot, heel toe it, and sweep it round and press back. Come all the way in towards that strong, long line through the body. It's all about strengthening, stretching, and balance in your last class of the challenge on YouTube today. You're going to bring your left foot around the outside and just hold there. Knees round the outside. I want you to send that arm, that left arm, all the way up with a reach, open the heart. Inhale. Exhale, taking a twist through the waistline, twisting out those organs, getting everything moving internally, twist, and back round through the center. One more of those. Hips stay stacked and square. We're twisting through the waistline, reach, hand goes back down. This left foot, just heel toe. Step it round towards the back and come all the way back in towards your plank hold. Inhale. Exhale, drop those knees if you need to, or stay here and give me 10 seconds, eyes pitch forwards. 9, 8, we're gonna lower the bottom of our thighs to the ground. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, last one. Lower the knees down. Inhale as you exhale, draw the toes in. You're gonna bend through the elbows and drop all the way down. Feet go down and reach those arms now into a little T position. So hands are out in towards a T, crown of the head's to the floor. Now this right arm, push the palm towards the ground, and you're gonna bend your right knee to the side, and you're gonna bring the eyes to me and press this left shoulder into the floor for a pec and a shoulder stretch. Drop the head down, inhale and exhale. If you want it a little deeper, you're gonna try and pick up that leg, be really mindful of the back, and let that leg roll backwards, breathe in. Any back injuries, don't do this, be really careful please. And then roll it back through the center. The leg goes down, and now this left hand, bring it round the side of the shoulder, forehead to the ground. Inhale as you exhale, little cobra. Inhale, exhale, chest comes up. Spinal stretch. and drop back down towards the floor. Now push the floor away. Inhale, exhale, come to a little all fours position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, cat-cow in. Exhale, press the chest down, lift the eye line up, sink through those shoulders. One more. Inhale, scoop out those abdominals. Exhale, press the chest down, lift the eye line up. Come back through your neutral spine and lift your eyes just in front of your hands. Tuck the toes under, breathe in, and you're gonna lift those knees up and hover and give me a little all fours hold. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, push the hips high, draw the heels to the floor and find a down dog. Inhale, lift the heels. Exhale, lower those knees, hold them an inch away from the ground and lift the eye line. Inhale, exhale, heels go down, hips go high again. For the full advancement, the knees don't touch every time we hover down. For the modification, you can go ahead, drop those knees to the floor, give yourself a little breather. If not, keep them lifted. Draw the abs in strong, flat back. Keep those knees hovering. Inhale, as you exhale, push back. Inhale, as you exhale, hover down. One more, you're gonna push to a down dog and hold. So push to that down dog and hold. Heels are trying to connect with the ground. Hips are pushing high. Breathe in. As you breathe out, you're gonna lengthen into a full plank again. Hands under shoulders, and inhale and exhale. Right foot, let's sweep it round, same thing. So right foot sweeps round, plant it to the floor, right arm, sweep it all the way up, and drop it back down. Inhale as you exhale, right arm all the way up, and bring it back down. This foot, heel toe it to the side, push back, sweep and hold. Real test of your strength right today. Inhale, exhale, sweep that left foot round. Try and control it, heel toe it in. And let's go spinal twist again. So it's so beneficial for the body to stretch out, especially if you've done the challenge. Muscles are sore, maybe you've worked out a lot this week, muscles are really sore. Gaining flexibility, long term and short term, which can only ever be beneficial for helping us move around in everyday life. Dropping it down, you're gonna shoot that left foot round towards the back. Find strength in your stillness, breathe in. Feel free to drop those knees, I know those wrists are probably feeling it now. Eyes are forwards, inhale. Exhale, and if you want the modified version, drop those knees like we did the first side. If you want the challenge, we're gonna bend the elbows and safely and slowly, let's lower down. Drop the chest down. Arms come back out towards the side and towards that T shape. And we're gonna go in towards that pec, pec stretch and shoulder stretch. So now, same as first side, your left palm pushes into the floor. And then from here, your left knee bends. Now I'm going the other way this time. So hook the leg around towards the side. And then you're gonna roll backwards, shoulder stretch. If you want to, this foot hooks backwards. It can even go behind, but please be careful with lower back injuries or issues. Inhale. As you exhale, roll forwards again. And then forearms down to the ground. Breathe in as you breathe out. You can either come up or you can extend all the way to those arms. Dropping down towards the floor. Push backwards. I want you to tuck the toes, and we're gonna go puppy pose. So tuck the toes, hips go high, arms come forwards, and bow the chest down. Tucking those toes, hips are high, puppy pose. Palms to the floor, toes are tucked, hips are high, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale. Exhale, forehead to the ground, hips are high, tucking those toes. Gradually and slowly bring the hands around the side of the hips, lift yourself up, and we're going to lower down to the side body. So coming to the side body, this arm extends. Your top leg, bring that toe in, and just give me a little quad stretch. So underneath legs lengthened. If you can't quite balance, you can soften through that underneath leg a little bit, give yourself a big base of support. Now I want you to tuck under through the hips, drawing that heel in, and you'll find a big, deep quad stretch through that top leg. Now here's your challenge. The foot in the hand, you're gonna bring that leg forwards and take it to a 90-degree angle. Then your back foot, bring that toe to the hand that was just working, and then calf stretch. I hope that you can see this. I'm gonna go side on a tiny bit. So you've got this 90-degree angle, the heel's in, and you should feel a lengthened sensation through that left quad. Lengthen both the legs. This hand comes in front of your body. Now push actively away from the ground. We're going to come in towards a little bit of a mermaid pose, Pilates intention. Hand comes just out on the diagonal there. You can either bend through both the knees, Or you can straight away extend the top leg if you're used to doing Pilates. So I'm going to go modification first. Inhale as you exhale. We're going to press over, reach. And we're going to drop back down and sweep the arm to the floor. We've got 2 of those. Inhale as you exhale. Sweep over, reach. So if that's okay for you, stay right there. If you want to join me, advancement, leg goes long. Inhale, exhale, sweep up, reach. Now don't sink through the shoulder girdle. Arms on the diagonal, hands over the top of the head. Flex that long foot. Stay there for the modification, or if you want to, we're going to test the balance, test the strength. You can try and stack all the way here in towards a full side plank, straight arm side plank. Then for the next option, we're going to bend through this fingertip, bring it to the head. I know it's tough. Inhale is the next option, you'll be burning. You're going to try and sweep your right toe up and away. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done safely. Lower down, you're going to roll on towards your glutes and give yourself a little wrist roll. That's tough, right? Give yourself a little wrist roll. Now hands are going to come to the side of yourself and you're going to bring your hands directly under your shoulders. Give your wrist a little roll after feeling it. Send your fingertips slightly to the side, feet hip distance apart. Lift the hips and you're going to come all the way up. Squeeze the glutes together. Now if you've got glute injuries, hamstring injuries, it will be hard to hold this pose. Or we're going to try and extend one leg long. Keep the knees bent. And we're going to try and extend the other leg long. Knees stay bent for the modified version. Now try and push the hips to the sky, but bring the eyes forwards. Don't let the head go here. Now strain the neck, eyes forward, straighten the arms and push the hips up. Reverse plank. If you can't find 2 breaths in through the nose, exhale, lift the hips higher. 1 more breath in, well done. Exhale. Safely and slowly drop those hips down. Sweep the feet second side. This is something I never do, these classes like this, but I'm actually really enjoying it. You're going to bring yourself, everyone's like, no. You're going to bring yourself down to the side body and we're going to stretch out through that top leg again. Heel comes in. If you want to, bend that underneath leg, bigger base of support. Big thigh stretch, tucking the pelvis under, lengthen through that quad muscle. Inhale and exhale. Stretching really helps to get things moving around the body as well, which is what I love. You're going to bring this top foot 90 degrees, pop it to the ground, back toe, bring it in towards that same hand, and then quad stretch that side too. Breathe in, and breathe, exhale. Lengthen through both the legs, stack the feet on top of one another, use this hand to push towards the floor, and we're going back in towards those mermaids. Bringing your hand out on the diagonal, you can either bend through those knees, so you know it's coming. Option to hold here. We're going to go all the way up and over. I'm going to do modified for 1, then I'm going straight to advancement this side. Inhale, exhale, leg goes long. All the way up and over. Feel the side body stretch and feel the shoulder work. Hands on that diagonal, fingertips slightly to the side. Inhale, exhale. All the way up, over, press. And back down again. 2 more of those. You want to pull up and out of the shoulder girdle. So strengthening the upper body here too, as well as getting that beautiful side stretch. 1 more. Inhale as you exhale. Dance it up and over and hold. Either stay right there, listen to your body, or flex that foot. You might need bare feet to grit to the ground. And you're going to try and stack through both the feet. Inhale. You'll get a little quiver and shake through that underneath arm, I know. And then fingertips towards the head. Find somewhere on the floor to focus on, because that's what I'm going to need to do right now. And you're going to try to lift the top leg up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Safely lower down. Bring your feet all the way towards me. Cross the legs. Bring this arm across the chest. Oh, hopefully you can still hear me. Head to the side. Arm stretch. Other way, hand across the chest. Inhale as you exhale. Head to the side and stretch. Bring the hands behind the back. Lift the eye line up. Breathe in. Breathe, exhale. 1 big breath. Inhale down. Exhale all the way to the sky. Bring your hands down through a prayer. Hands towards the heart center. Grow tall off your hips. Now I want you to pull the abs in. Guide the sit bones to the floor. Hands in prayer, shoulders down. Bring your eyes forwards into the horizon. Nice deep breath in through the nose. Big breath out through the mouth. Big breath in through the nose. And out through the mouth. Give yourself a little clap. If this was your only workout with me, fabulous, amazing, hope you loved it. If you've done the full week challenge with me on YouTube, well done. We've had some really, really tough workouts. And don't forget, 31-day challenge is now live on my website. The link to access that is going to be down below. You get a 4-week meal plan. I love it, it's so good. I made it myself, it's brilliant. There's loads included. There's even technique pictures included in each video so you can double check before the workout, what am I going to be doing? Or at the end of the workout, didn't quite get that move. I wonder what that looks like in a picture. Anyway, I'm going to stop blabbering on. I'll see you all soon. Bye.